Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maintain your Honda Civic full guide. Start by checking oil level and tire pressure weekly and log service dates. Rotate tires every 5,000 miles and replace engine oil per manufacturer's interval. Inspect brake pads monthly and listen for squeal that signals wear. Keep battery terminals clean and secure to avoid starting issues. Follow the owner's manual for fluid types, filters, and a simple emergency kit. Start with fluid checks to protect the engine and transmission. Check coolant, brake, and transmission fluids monthly and top to the recommended levels. Replace air and cabin filters to improve fuel economy and cabin air quality. Use the oil grade and filter specified in the manual during every oil change. Keep a small supply of essential fluids and a funnel in the trunk for emergencies, and note dates and mileage for each replacement. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free voice help to your workspace, perfect for playlists and timers while you wrench. It pairs easily with phones and makes hands-free commands simple when your hands are greasy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Brakes and tires are key for safety and performance. Inspect pads and rotors for uneven wear and replace before they reach minimum thickness. Rotate tires regularly to extend tread life and check wheel alignment whenever you feel pulling or uneven tire wear. Keep tires inflated to the sticker pressure and verify the spare is usable. Monitor tread depth and replace tires when grooves are shallow to maintain traction and handling in all conditions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.